Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you delete your new comment or even your old comment, like the comments maybe you have made years ago on Instagram. Today in this video I'll show you how can you delete both in a very easy and clear method, so let's jump right into it. First, since we're gonna be using the Instagram app for this process, of course, let's get something out of the way. So open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram just like that, and make sure we have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to make sure both of us are on the same page in this process. After that, go ahead and open Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see here guys, I'm gonna start by commenting on a random post. I'm gonna choose this one right here. So I'm gonna tap on this comment icon right here at the bottom left of the post. Tap on it. And here you're gonna go ahead and find comments by other people on Instagram. I'm gonna start by commenting, as I said seconds ago. So I'm gonna write a random comment like me typing good. So yeah, and then tap on enter, and the comment is submitted on this post successfully. Now to delete the new comment, it's very simple. Just tap and hold on that comment right here, and then tap on the trash can in the top right side of the screen right there. As soon as you tap there, the comment will be deleted, as you can see guys. If you want to delete your old comments on Instagram, just tap here in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner right there. And then here tap on your activity. And from here just tap on comments. Wait for a couple of seconds and you find here every single comment that you have ever made on Instagram. And to delete them, it's very simple. Just tap and hold and tap on the trash can again. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.